With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, in this given question, we need to answer number of water molecule acting as a ligands in this CuSO4.5H2, ZnSO4.5H2 and FeSO4.7H2 respectively are what? So we need to choose from this given sequence which are mentioned in option A, B, C and D respectively. So here the important factor that comes into our mind is the coordination number of respective ions which are being shown. So if we see this oxidation state of copper over here is this sulfate is -2, so this is correspondingly +2. Here also zinc is going to be a +2 oxidation state. Here also this iron is having +2 oxidation state. And by knowing the oxidation state, we can know their coordination number because we are knowing how these are forming the given complexes. So first of all, I am writing what are the coordination number accepted by these ions. So coordination numbers shown by respective ions, So we are writing them. So here we are having copper diapositive ion. So it is showing the coordination number of respectively what? It's going to show 4 coordination number. That means it can surround by maximum of 4 ligands. Similarly, if we look zinc, so zinc diapositive is also showing the coordination number of 4. It can also surround by 4 number of ligands. Similarly, we are writing for iron. So iron can surround by how many ligands? So its coordination number is 6. It can surround by 6 number of ligand. Now by looking this coordination number, we need to form their complexes respectively from them, and we need to tell how many water molecules are going to act as a ligand. So first of all, we are writing this CuSO4.5H2 molecule. So this is the given compound to us, and we are mentioning we need to adjust 4 coordination number. So that means maximum of 4 water molecule can be accumulated inside. So Cu, this is water, maximum can be 4 accumulated. So this is the coordination part because it can have maximum coordination number of 4, and rest of them is going to be outside the coordination sphere. So sulfate will be the ionic part over here, and this is going to be present as the water. So this was the first one. Similarly, you need to take the second one as well. So zinc sulfate, you need to take this compound which is given to us in the hydrated form, and you need to adjust according to the maximum of coordination number of 4. So again it's going to form the same. Maximum water can be accumulated inside is going to be 4 because its coordination number limited to 4. Then sulfate ion will be present in the outside and water molecule will be also outside. Now we need to go with this third one. So actually what happened, this iron can show both coordination number, plus as well as +4 as well as +6. So this is showing both. So we can write both compounds that will be formed over here. So first we are writing this compound FeSO4.7H2. So it has 2 type of formation. It can show coordination number 4 also as well as 6. So first we are writing for 4. So when 4 will be accumulated by water, so this iron will be surrounded by 4 water molecules. So this is H2O4, and rest of them will be satisfied outside. So this is going to be SO4, and number of water molecules, how many left? We have utilized 4 and we are left with only 3. So this is going to be thrice of H2. Similarly, you can do with coordination number 6 as well. So that means iron is surrounded by 6 number of water molecules. So this is 6, and this anionic part of sulfate will be surrounding over here. And how many water molecules are remained over here? This is 6 we have utilized. We are left with only 1. So we can mention over here this is 1. So this was the correct answer. Now we need to answer what are the number of molecules acting as a ligand. So in this question, number of water molecule acting as ligand is 4, 4 and correspondingly 6. So this is our answer. If there was in option that all are 4, 4, 4, then that option is also correct because we have seen it can have capability to show 2 coordination number. So what is the correct answer by looking the following options? So it's going to be 4, 4 and 6. So option C is correct because this was the correct answer. Either one more option can be formed like this, which will be also correct. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.